Imagine being able to write code 3 times faster than you can now. That's exactly what's happening with Codex, now available in the ChatGPT desktop app for Linux. This is huge. We're talking about a game changer for millions of users. The integration of AI-powered tools in coding is becoming really important for developers, and OpenAI's announcement of Codex on Linux is generating a lot of excitement. The coding landscape is changing fast, with advancements in AI technology revolutionizing the way developers work. AI-powered coding assistants are gaining popularity, and it's easy to see why. They help developers get tasks done efficiently. OpenAI's Codex is a great example. It uses natural language processing and machine learning algorithms to provide code suggestions and automate tasks. Now that it's available on Linux, it's essential to understand what this means for the development community. So what's the big deal about Codex on Linux? Well, OpenAI announced that it's now available in the ChatGPT desktop app, and it's currently in preview. This means developers can test it out and provide feedback. According to OpenAI, Codex can save developers up to 40 hours a week by automating mundane tasks and providing code suggestions. That's a significant time savings. And it's not just about individual developers. The introduction of Codex on Linux could have big implications for companies like Microsoft and Google, which have their own coding assistants. Codex integrates really well with the ChatGPT desktop app for Linux, giving developers a powerful tool to streamline their workflow. It leverages natural language processing and machine learning algorithms to understand the context of the code and provide accurate suggestions. This can help reduce the time spent on debugging and testing, allowing developers to focus on the more complex and creative aspects of coding. And the best part? Codex can learn from user feedback and adapt to different coding styles, making it an indispensable tool for developers. The implications of Codex on Linux are significant. Companies like Microsoft and Google may need to reassess their strategies in light of Codex's capabilities. The integration of AI-powered coding tools could lead to changes in the way software is developed, with a greater emphasis on automation and machine learning. And with Codex available on Linux, it could become more accessible to a broader range of developers, potentially disrupting the dominance of proprietary coding tools. As the industry adapts to these changes, it's essential to consider the winners and losers in this new landscape. I think the introduction of Codex on Linux is a game changer for the development community. By providing developers with a powerful tool to streamline their workflow, Codex can help improve coding efficiency, reduce errors, and enhance collaboration. Some people might argue that AI-powered coding tools will replace human developers, but I think they'll augment their abilities, allowing them to focus on the more complex and creative aspects of coding. As the tech industry continues to evolve, it's essential to consider the implications of these advancements on the way we work and the tools we use. In my opinion, the integration of Codex on Linux is a step in the right direction, and I'm excited to see how it will shape the future of software development. If you're a developer interested in trying out Codex on Linux, I encourage you to test the preview version and provide feedback to OpenAI. By doing so, you can help shape the future of Codex and the way we develop software. It's an exciting time for the development community, and I think we're just starting to see the potential of what's possible.